how to make shapes in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just click on elements here, the left side, and then search for shapes. Okay, now you can see the shapes here. You can just click on see all, and then you can see a bunch of shapes here. So let's say I'm going to use the square here, and I want to change this into, let's say, rectangle. So you can see you can just edit this to have your own shape, or let's say I'm going to change this to another shape. Let's say I want this to be a shape of a stick. And there you go. And then let's say I want it to be longer. As you can see, you can just edit this however you want. If you want another shape, you can just click on another shape here and then change it. Let's say I'm going to use this shape here. Then now you have a shape like this. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.